Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Cox-Smith of www.cinquanta.com. Smile for me. I have not recorded a video in a while, and you guys have probably not seen my face around. I have been very low-key chilling, a little bit behind the scenes, and just all around. So many different life changes have happened since I basically touched bases with you all. I'm just here to give you a refresher of who I am. I've been on the scene for a while as an entrepreneur, as an author, as a military spouse, and I am excited about a series that I am going to bring to my channel all December. So 31 days of videos. They're going to be about 5 minutes or less, easy to digest information. And I'm super excited about it. I am not going to share the name just yet, but I do want to let you know that it is coming. I'll probably make another announcement on my channel closer to the date because I just don't want to spoil it. I'm just excited. Hopefully, I'm finished in time. I've been working so hard behind the scenes, getting the videos recorded, getting all the information set up so I can be ahead of everything that I have going on. I have so many videos to edit. I'm just excited about starting fresh. While I was gone, I've tried a lot of different things. Some things worked out. And if you've been keeping up with me on my newsletter, I've been in touch. Okay. So if you guys have not joined my Substack, make sure you join that. If you're just here, stopping by, checking out some of the older videos, subscribe, stay a while. I promise it's fun over here when I got some things to tell you. When I am ready to share, when I'm ready to give, to do a tutorial or whatever, it's worth it. I also want to let you guys know more about the podcast I've been recording. There's a lot of episodes over there for you guys to digest, over 200. They're also on the Substack, also on all platforms where podcasts are available. I am going through transition with all of my books, but they are just search my name, search Cox-Smith in books. And all of the ones that I have up right now will be there. They're on like Lulu, somewhere on Amazon, somewhere on Barnes and Noble. I think a few are on Kindle as well. I am going to also be working to put them back on my website as well as enjoying to just push the message of Smile for Me. So if you're here watching on my YouTube channel, just look down below. I am a person who's always happy, and the Smile for Me has just been a big thing on my channel. So if you want to support that cause, go ahead and purchase that. I smile to keep from crying. I smile to just get through my day and continue to heal myself. I hope when you guys are watching these videos, even when I'm ranting or, just going on and on, that you guys enjoy the warmth, the love, and the genuine dedication that I have to this channel through these videos. Trying to think what else I have going on. Subscribe to the Substack, the YouTube channel, the newsletter on the Substack. I have another one coming out this week, which will have this video in there, my life updates. And the holidays are coming, so I hope you guys have prepared all your print-on-demand shops to be prepared for deadlines and new products. Print-on-demand is still growing. There's a lot of people learning about it, and I'm excited to just still be in the number of the conversation when people come back and check out my video. Thank you guys for all the love and the support and just tuning in, even when there's nothing new to tune into. I appreciate you and I love you so much. I am doing well. My family is doing well. I'm just ready to get these videos next month. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm excited to see what the future may hold for my channel, my podcast, and just me as an individual. As always, I share the good, bad, and the ugly with you guys. Lessons learned, things I've worked through, still going through in this business. But as always, longevity is going to keep me here. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.